where we are, Mad Creek Trailhead right here.
Let's go. Our goal of Mad Barn lies up the trail.
So you can see Mad Creek from here, and we're going to wind along it as we head up the trail.
As the water rushes by, there are spots where you get a view of Mad Creek from high above.
You get to see a variety of different ecosystems here at Mad Creek. We're in a pine forest right now. We're right above a deep canyon where Mad Creek is.
The canyon landscape is incredible.
And we're going to go through a large meadow filled with wildflowers.
And that's where we'll find the historic Mad Barn. To get there, the trail is easy to maneuver and the scenery changes quickly. As we get close to Mad Barn, we notice a trail that takes us down to Mad Creek. Nikki dips her hand in the cold water that's rushing by because of snowmelt. And I have to head out on the rocks to soak up the view. A little farther down the creek, Melissa and Nikki practice yoga on a log and even join the forest with their tree poses. With the barn in sight, up the hill we go and make our way back down the dirt road. The Mad Barn is picturesque as it sits in an emerald field. As we get closer, the aspens flutter in the breeze.
How was your ride?
Awesome. How was your hike?
Awesome.
A lot of mountain bikers ride up here too. The Mad Cabin is an original U.S. Forest Service cabin homestead preserved from the early 1900s. And today, you can explore inside. There's old iron equipment and troughs and old stalls in the barn.
Is it cool up there?
Yeah. Nikki, then Melissa climb up the old wooden ladder. Then it's my turn.
Oh, wow.
From the top of the barn, it's just one big open room with wood planks for the floor. It almost sounds like the barn is breathing as we enjoy the view.
You gonna fall?
Am I going to fall? No.
I have no idea what you two are doing.
Feels so good.
As they relax, I do a little more exploring around Mad Barn. Be on the lookout for wildlife like chipmunks. And closer to the creek, there are beautiful flowers. And we even found a bumblebee hard at work. Time for us to hike the 2 miles back with mountain bikers and dogs heading home on the trail too.